You keep waiting for a feeling that never arrives. Not because something is wrong with you, but because you were never meant to follow a feeling in the first place. The longer you wait, the further your life drifts, rehearsing change instead of living it. Motivation tells you, when I arrive, everything will be easy. And sometimes it is, for a little while. The fog clears, the doubt fades, everything flows. Then it vanishes. It always does. And you're left where you began, but more tired, more stuck. So you wait. You promise yourself tomorrow. You plan instead of act. Days turn into weeks, years dissolve, and life goes on, silent, steady, unconcerned. Motivation is a temporary relief, not a cure. It removes resistance. It makes starting feel lighter. But it does not move your life forward. And when it's gone, the work remains, only now it seems harder, heavier. Each time motivation leaves, something inside you changes. Not your ambition, not your dream, your trust. You still want what you want, but you believe a little less that you can reach it. Not from a lack of will, but from too many broken promises you made to yourself. Repeated disappointment becomes hesitation. Waiting for motivation trains your mind in a fragile lie that you should only move when everything feels right. So on the days you feel low, your world pauses. Your projects stall. The person you said you would become stays hypothetical. Not because you don't care, but because caring without acting has become too painful. But here's what you may not realize. Action does not require motivation, it requires direction. Direction doesn't check the weather of your mood. It doesn't bargain with your fears. It asks one thing: who did you decide to be? And then it stands firm, steady through uncertainty, unshaken by emotion. Direction is not the harsh voice of discipline. Discipline pushes. Direction pulls. Direction is integrity put into motion. It says, my worth is not paused by how I feel. When you move without motivation, you reclaim something essential. Not confidence. Confidence shouts and shatters. Trust. Trust that you can continue when it's difficult. Trust that your word to yourself still matters. Trust that your effort isn't hostage to your mood. And trust outlasts every spark of inspiration. So change the question. Stop asking, do I feel like doing this? Stop wondering, is today the day? Instead ask, is this the direction I chose? If the answer is yes, begin. Small if you must. Messy if that's all you have. Pick a direction, a path, not a finish line. I will show up, especially when tired. I will act before I feel ready. I will keep the promises only I will see. Then make the step absurdly simple. One sentence, 1 minute, one breath. Direction is built by consistency, not intensity. Every time you act without waiting, you whisper to yourself, I am the kind of person who moves forward anyway. That sentence rewrites your story. It reshapes who you are. And once your identity changes, motivation becomes a guest, not the driver. You no longer wait. You no longer debate. You simply do. Motivation will come and go. Direction remains. If you are tired of starting over, stop waiting for the weather to change. Choose your direction. Walk it. Day by day, step by step. Imagine proving to yourself, quietly and consistently, that you can be trusted, especially when it's hard. And when distractions come or life grows messy, you'll already know how to keep going, because you built the path by walking it, not by waiting to feel like it. The real challenge is learning how to stay on track when life gets messy or distractions pull you away. In the next video, you'll learn exactly how to follow your direction, even when motivation fails. If you're the kind of person who wants to move forward, even when it doesn't feel easy, this channel is for you. Consider subscribing. I make videos for people who want fewer words and more truth they can actually live by.